July 23rd, 2020, we're here at Hildebrand Machinery. We're going to do the accuracy test on the second Moore CNC jig grinder, 19036P. As you can see, we're in the same setup process. And the screen is showing us that dimension. This is the x-axis we're doing. So that's 14 inches. The indicator set to 0. We're on our block. We're off the block. We can just raise the indicator needle off the Joe, and it'll travel till it hits that vertical stop. The indicator showing like a plus 4.5 tenths, and the screen is showing (10 inches), which is 4 inches exactly. So we're getting about 4 tenths, 4.5 tenths difference on that. Now that's assuming our Joe block is accurate, because we have no way of checking it. It's an older used Joe block. We just assume it's 4 inches. The only thing we have. All right, and we've already checked the backlash, and the backlash was found to be 3/10 in this particular process. So now we'll go back to the Y and do the Y-axis. So this is going to be the Y-axis, check 4 inches with an MDI move, and right now the screen is showing us the number 45470. The indicator is set to 0. I know it's a little hard to see, but it's set to 0. So we'll move off the block and MDI it back 4 inches. And it's moving. You see the numbers on. The axis moving. And the indicator. That one shows 4/10 strong on the indicator. The screen shows 9 inches, which means we moved 4 inches.